This is John Adam here with DS Diving. I'm here with your boat Clover. I thought you were one of our customers, accidentally dove on the boat. And I went ahead and I started cleaning it, realized it wasn't one of ours, but I'm going to show you what I did do. I cleaned your prop and prop shaft, and part of your keel, and part of your rudder. I'm just going to go ahead and show you that. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and film the rest of the boat for you just so you can see it. I'm already in here. Alright, sorry about that. Have a good day.